Good evening. Today's quote is: a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes weight, determination, and hard work. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes weight, determination, and hard work. Today's word is rags: to stretch oneself as after sleeping, to extend the hand. Rags means the salt. Exercise 3.3. Sum number 19. Prove that sin x into tan x by 2 plus 2 cos x is 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. So what is sin x? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. What is tan x by 2? Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. 2 cos x as it is. Cos gets cancelled. 2 sin square theta is 1 plus I'm sorry, 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos theta, right? Theta changes to 2 theta, that is 2 times. So x by 2 will change to 2 times x by 2, that is x, plus 2 cos x as it is. So what remains is 1 plus cos x, but 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. See, if you remember cos 2 theta formula, you can solve many sums. Now it is cos square 1 upon sec square, but sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. This is nothing but right hand side. Actually, these sums are not from the textbook. So just listen to me, but please do write the solution after the lecture. Prove that cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree is 1 upon 16. Actually, we are going to solve three sums of this type. Here altogether different method is used, and that is why I have taken this separately. Otherwise, three sums will be, instead of cos, first will be sine. Sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree. It is 3 upon 16. This is cos. And if you take the ratio, then tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 80 degree will be 3. Now, begin with LHS. What is cos 60 degree? Half. So, what remains is cos 20, cos 40 and cos 80. Now, multiply numerator and denominator by 2 sin 20. So, 2 sin 20 cos 20. When I say 20, by that I mean 20 degree. It is sin 40 degree. Why? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Again multiply by 2. 2 sin 40 cos 40 is sin 80. 2 sin 80 cos 80 is sin 160. Now 160 is supplement of 20. Note that sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. Sin 20 degree gets cancelled with this sin 20 degree in the denominator. What remains is 1 upon 60. Right? Now the next one, prove that tan 20 degree into tan 40 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 80 degree equal to 3. Now I will not say degree, but angle is in degree only. Begin with LHS. What is tan 60 root 3? Tan 20, tan 40, tan 80. This is the most important step. 40 is written as 60 minus 20. 80 is written as 60 plus 20. Apply tan of alpha minus beta and tan of alpha plus beta. Now, what is numerator? See this, a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. What is tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 square is 3. Okay. What about denominator? Or there is one more term. So 3 minus tan square 20. What about denominator? 1 minus 3 tan square 20. Now multiply each term in the numerator by tan 20. So 3 tan 20 minus tan cube 20 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20. Now instead of 20, say theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. I hope you will not say 320 degree. It is 3 into 20 degree, that is 60 degree. But tan 60 degree is root 3. So what is the final answer? 3, which is nothing but right hand side. Now, next one. This is De Moivre's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Here n equal to 3. Now, what is a plus b cube? A cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Now, what is I square? It is minus 1. What is I cube minus I? Note that cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is real part. Sin 3 theta and imaginary part is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now, we want real part in terms of cos, and therefore see this sine square theta is to be written as 1 minus cos square theta. See the cursor, and this cos square theta should be written as 1 minus sine square theta. Open all the brackets, write real part in one bracket and imaginary part in other. So real part is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is nothing but cos 3 theta. Imaginary part is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is nothing but sin 3 theta. So this is right hand side. Next one, prove that sec 8a minus 1 upon sec 4a minus 1 equal to tan 8a upon tan 2a. Begin with LHS. Now it is sec 1 upon cos. For that sake, I have written this as 1 upon cos 8a minus 1 upon 1 upon cos 4a minus 1. Now find LCM and simplify to get this. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 2 theta changes to half, that is theta. So 8a will change to 4a, and in the denominator 4a will change to 2a. So this is cos 4a into 2 sin square 4a upon cos 8a into 2 sin square 2a. Rearrange the terms. So 2 sin 4a cos 4a into sin 4a upon denominator as it is 2 sin square 2a cos 8a. Note that 2 sin 4a cos 4a is sin 8a. Reason 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. See, it is all about use of standard results. Now it is sin 4a, 2 sin 2a cos 2a, denominator as it is. Now what is sin 8a upon cos 8a? It is nothing but tan 8a. Here you will notice that 2 sin 2a gets cancelled. So what remains is cos 2a upon sin 2a, which is nothing but cot 2a. Cot 2a is 1 upon tan 2a. So what is the final answer? Tan 8a upon tan 2a, which is nothing but right hand side. Now, the next part is important one, factorization formulae and defactorization formulae, right? The first part which you can see on the screen is formulae for conversion of product into sum or difference. So these are called as defactorization formulae. After that, we will discuss conversion of sum or difference into product, which will be called as factorization formulae. So the first one, we are going to prove all this. 2 sin a cos b is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Fourth formula is very important. 99% of the students, they say that 2 sin a sin b is cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. No, 2 sin a sin b is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Let us prove these results. See, what is sine of a plus b? Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is sine of a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now add these two. So addition gives 2 sine a cos b. Okay. What is 2 sine a cos b? It is sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. That's it. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. That's it. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b plus sine of a minus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 s right? Now subtract second from the first. So that gives me 2 cos A sin B. What will be 2 cos A sin B? It is sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. See, these are the first two formulae. 2 sin A cos B, sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. 2 cos A sin B is sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Now what is cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sine A sin B. What is cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sine A sin B. Now add these two. Addition gives 2 cos A cos B. What will be right hand side? It will be cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Now next part, from second subtract first. If you subtract second from first, you get minus 2 sin A sin B. But generally we remember 2 sin A sin B equal to and not minus 2 sin A sin B. That is not wrong. Subtract first from second. So that gives me 2 sin A sin B. See, I have subtracted 1 from 2. So it is what? It is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Right? So these are 4 defactorization formulae. See, these two we have proved. 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Now, factorization formulae, you will observe that this is conversion of sum or difference into strictly into product. The first one, sin C plus sin D is 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Last formula is important. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. You may also remember this as, if you do not want minus sign here, what is minus sin theta? Sin of minus theta. So I can say that cos C minus cos D, 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of D minus C by 2. Okay. Now we will prove these results. Now we prove these results using this only. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B is what? 2 sin A cos B and so on. Now I say let A plus B be another angle C and A minus B be say D. Add these two. So 2A is C plus D. So what is A? C plus D upon 2. See, we require A on LHS. That is why I have solved these two. Subtract second from first. You get twice B equal to C plus D. So what is B? C minus D by 2. I repeat. Subtract this from first one. So 2B is C minus D. So what is B? C minus D upon 2. So we get first factorization formula, sin C, see the cursor, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into cos of C minus D upon 2. What will be the second? Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos of C plus D upon 2 and replace B by what? C minus D by 2. So into sin of C minus D by 2. Formula number 3. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Fourth formula. Remember A minus B first. So cos D minus cos C equal to 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2, or if you subtract both sides by -1, then this is minus, and this is plus. So cos c minus cos d equal to -2 sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. You can see here. Yes. So this is about factorization formula. Exercise 3.4. Express the following as a sum or a difference of two trigonometric functions, 2 sine a cos b, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So 2 sine 4x cos 2x, sine 6x plus sine 2x. Same formula in this case. So sine of first plus second in plus sine of first minus second. So sine 7 pi upon 6 plus sine pi upon 6. What is 2 cos a cos b? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. Same formula here also. Now cos 110 degree plus cos of minus 40 degree. But note that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Second question, prove the following. First part, sin 2x plus sin 2y upon sin 2x minus sin 2y is tan of x plus y upon tan of x minus y. Now we begin with LHS. I haven't written LHS equal to. So this is equal to, what is sin a plus sin b? 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. What is sin a minus sin b? 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. So sin of x plus y into cos of x minus y upon cos of x plus y into sin of x minus y. Sin upon cos is tan. So tan of x plus y into cot of x minus y. But what is cot? 1 upon tan. So this is tan of x plus y upon tan of x minus y. So that's it for today.